somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Like
Hi, good morning.
good morning.
How are you
How
doing
are
today?
you? I am doing today awesome.
All right,
What
great.
about you?
I am actually not doing so great because I've got a viral.
Okay. How it happened?
The weather is a little right now the weather is not that great because you are getting rain, you're getting sun, and then a lot of bacteria is roaming around in the air. So I caught something.
Okay,
I
okay.
heard a
Yes.
lot of people are also getting this. So yeah, I'm not alone.
Okay. So have you taken medicine?
I have taken a medicine, yes. Hopefully it should go away in a couple of days.
Yeah, it will. It will.
All right. So this is your 24th session, right?
Yes.
And have you had a chance to look at the topic?
Yes, I have.
All right, great. So before we get started, why don't you tell me a little about yourself?
Okay. I am Pooja Kumari. I currently am residing in New Delhi. Currently, I am living in New Delhi, and I am doing. I am as a working professional. Uh, I am uh, I am learning English as well as learning sales also.
Learning?
Learning English as well as sales.
Sales.
Yeah.
All right, great. Uh, so where are you learning sales from?
I am working on the organization. There I am learning. There I am learning. There from I am learning.
I'm learning sales there or from my organization,
Okay.
or I'm learning sales on the job.
I am learning sales on the job.
Correct. Okay. Uh, and what about your hobbies and interests?
Hobbies. I listen a song and I listen to sing the song as well as dance,
Mm-hmm.
and also I watch I love to watch some inspirational movies or videos.
Mm-hmm.
I love to watch. That's all.
Okay. All right. Sorry about that. So
Not an,
winning the lottery.
yes.
What would you do if you won the lottery?
Okay. If I will win a lottery, first thing I
If I
am
win the lottery,
if I will
the
if I
lottery.
win the lottery. Okay.
Simple.
If I
Keep it simple.
Okay. If I win the lottery, first I as I am going to astonish. So for for the lottery money, first I am going to invest somewhere
Mm-hmm.
like stock market or trading market. Then I am going to, if I am then I am going to invest some money into trading stock market, some money into to buy some money to buy some valuable things to my family.
Mm-hmm.
Then some money I am going to invest. I am going to charity. I'm going to charity who really needs help.
So some money you will give to charity for those who really need help.
Some money give to charity for those who really needs help.
Great. Okay. What kind of causes will you support? So for charity, there can be multiple causes. You can help orphan children. You can help the elderly. You can help uh, tribal people. You can help. There are so many different kinds of causes.
Yes.
Which causes would you like to go and support?
I'm going to support firstly through women empowerment, means for her education, because for her education, and I'm going to develop her financial freedom, financial knowledge also.
Okay.
I'm going to do that, like some seminar about money management, about money mindset, how to manage your money, and how to create money from money.
How to create money from money. Okay.
Yes. So I'm going to give some seminar to educate them. And second is I'm going to educate to child education who is in poverty. They have not free, they have no freedom to educate themselves,
Okay.
educate themselves. So for that, I'm going to invest to child education. And as well as if I win lots of lottery money, if I win, so for that I'm also going to save that cancer patients who is in mm, in last situation,
Like in.
like in last stage,
Uh-huh.
cancer patient who is in last stage, like that.
All right. Great. You have a very big heart.
Yes, thanks.
Okay. What would you do for yourself?
For myself, I'm going to invest that money. I'm going to invest on myself for learning or developing my personality, because currently I am learning English. So I am going to improve myself through developing my skills, through developing my personality, as well as my grooming section, as well as also personality development. And for that, I know when I'm going to invest upon myself, then I will grow drastically after 1 year or 2 years, something like period of time. So I am going to invest myself upon my mindset, develop my mindset. So, and as well as also I am going to invest some money into trading, into stock market, like that, trading journey, because when you invest someplace, then yeah, money will grow. So because we know that if I give the example of like Sushil Kumar or something, they he was also winning the lottery ticket once, something like that, like KBC. He he won, but he had not right mindset, so he lost everything. So winning a lottery is okay, is very uh, good, but uh, for that money, how to use, how to manage, and how to create money from money. So this will good.
Okay. Okay, so tell me, Pooja, what kind of feedback have you received from your previous tutors till now?
The previous tutor tell me that you have to improve your sentence structure.
Mm-hmm.
Second is the grammar.
Mm-hmm.
Grammar means tenses and or as well as preposition.
Mm-hmm.
I
And
am facing.
did they suggest anything about how you can go about doing it?
Yeah, they all gave me some links to prepare and suggest me to watch like BBC English Learning. So I'm doing that and also I'm practicing on that.
You're practicing online.
Yes, practicing
What
with
kind of
the
practice?
grammar practice.
Grammar practice. Okay, fantastic. Very good. Uh, what would you say? Like you've already completed 24 sessions, right? Today, when you complete, you will be completing 24 sessions. Have you seen any improvement from when you started off till now?
Yes, from from the beginning, I I have confidence. I want to speak. I want to speak by heart, but some words means some
Your
words like
vocabulary is limited.
yes, I have no not abundance of
Mhm.
vocabulary. So from beginning, I spoke a lot, but gradually I am speaking slowly, and slowly I am thinking into my mind. Then I am speaking. Means I am correcting my sentences and
Correct.
improving on.
Okay. Yeah. I that is what I noticed as well. I see that. That's why I asked you this question because I thought that there must have been a transition. So, what I see is that you are taking a lot of effort in forming your sentences as correctly as you can. Yes, there are still mistakes that you're making, but your effort is what is most important. Now, I want to know: do you read uh, on a regular basis? Do you read anything like a
Yes, like
like books or maybe the newspaper or magazines, journals?
I don't read regularly, but I used to read sometimes whenever I get time. But I listen more. Means I listen audiobook.
Mm-hmm.
I listen audiobook as well as BBC English Learning, 6 minutes BBC English Learning, and
Mm-hmm.
also currently I was starting uh, some episode of English season wise. So I was watching on that.
Okay. Listening alone will not be enough. You have to read.
Okay.
Okay. Why? I will tell you. So when you're listening, what happens is only a part of your brain is actually engaged with the listening activity. Whereas that other part of your brain is already thinking about, okay, what do I have to do tomorrow? Oh, that job is pending. That's how our minds work. Okay.
Yes.
So what happens is whenever you're listening, you're not getting the entire thing. Say, for example, if you're listening to a new word,
Yes.
you will not stop yourself and then look up the word and do all of that, right? If you're looking to increase your vocabulary, whenever you come across a new word, you need to stop. You need to look up the dictionary. You need to find the meaning of that word, and then you need to just try and figure out, okay, make a sentence with it. This does not happen when you're listening. This happens only when you're reading. Reading is a
Okay.
full brain activity. When you're reading, your brain has to be completely uh, you have to put your entire brain to that activity of reading. right?
Okay.
There, whenever you come across a new word, you stop. Okay, this is a new word. What do I? Okay, let me look up the meaning. Okay, you look up the meaning, you find out the meaning, and then you maybe make a note of it. A lot of people make a note of the new words for review later on. So my suggestion is you're doing well, but if you want to move to the next level, you need to start reading on a regular basis, at least for half an hour every day.
Okay, sure.
Okay, because this sentence structure, new word, vocabulary, grammar, all of this, you will see that when you start doing this consistently, when you start reading consistently, you will see the change in your own speech. You know, it's almost magical the way it works. So our brain is like a sponge. It absorbs information, and then when it has absorbed enough information, it starts throwing out that information out into the world. Okay, so reading does so many things. Reading helps you to improve your grammar, reading helps you to improve your vocabulary, reading helps you to learn new things. So I cannot even stress the importance of reading. So while you're doing the other things that the other tutors have told you, learning English is fine. Listening to audiobooks is also great. It helps train your ears. But I must insist that you also start reading.
Okay, from today I am going to start.
Yeah. So you can read anything that you are interested in. Okay, you will definitely find something that you are interested in, and you start reading that. I'm not going to tell you, okay, read this book or that book. No, that doesn't work that way, because you will switch off. Oh, I'm getting bored. I'm feeling
Yes, right.
sleepy. A lot of people tell me that.
Yes,
So
yes.
find out what is interesting to you and read that.
Yeah, actually, I love to read a self-help book.
Then read
So,
self-help books. There are so many great self-help books. Atomic Habits. A lot of people are reading Atomic Habits.
yes, right.
Sorry.
Okay.
So you can start with Atomic Habits. It's a good book. Then you can read The Psychology of Money. Since you're so interested in investing and trading and all of that, you can read this book called The Psychology of Money. Very good book. Highly recommended.
Okay, sure. I'm going to do that.
All right. Okay. So we've run out of time for today. Lovely talking to you, Pooja. I thoroughly enjoyed it. And I hope that I get to see you again in class.
Yes, sure.
All right.
Next time I come back to improve myself.
All right. So take care and have a wonderful day, Pooja.